of these radiations you're looking at the board, they all have their respective symbols. And from you knowing the symbols, you are good to go. So I'm about stressing on all of the symbols of these radiations. And at the end of doing that, we simply go ahead to tackle this question and we are good to go. And get ready for your own practice question. So listen carefully. For the alpha ray, I'm writing the symbol here. So let me quickly write the major radiations and their symbol. Alpha ray is symbolized as helium atom He42. Please note what I just said is going to help you. Alpha ray is simply helium atom. Alright, the next one is called beta ray. Beta ray, what's beta ray symbol? Here is the symbol. It is symbolized as this. But the numbers I'm about writing is what you should note. Alright, it's very, very important. Alright, here is like this, and here is 0, and here is -1. Please note what I just said is going to help you greatly. So this is the symbol for the beta ray. Alright, so moving over to the gamma ray, here is the symbol for the gamma radiation. Gamma radiation is symbolized as this. Here is 0 and here is 0. To know the charges of these radiations, we simply look at the numbers that are down. Alright, you can see here that, this 2 means positive 2. So if they ask you what's the charge for alpha, you simply say it is positively charged. Alright, because I told you now that to get the charges is at the bottom. You look at the numbers at the down. So for alpha helium atom, then it's +2. Positive, because this is just 2. This is -1. So the charge for beta is minus. Alright, it is simply negatively charged. But for gamma, it is 0. 0 means neutral. Gamma ray does not have a charge. Are you there? Listen carefully. We knowing this alone, we're already good to go to solve this question and solve numerous questions under this aspect. It's just for me to teach you what you need to know, so you have to listen, pay close attention. Now moving further, let's quickly talk about the minor radiations and their symbol. Now I told you positron is simply electron, but it is an electron with a positive charge. So I'm going to symbolize this as E. Are you there? Remember, electrons normally they are negatively charged. Like negatron is a negative electron. So let's pull their charges. Remember I told you that the charges are written down for all of these radiations. So I told you that positron has a positive charge. So here is going, and the positive is +1. Are you there? Listen, it's very important. For negatron, it is negative. They are brothers, just the minus and plus are differentiable of them. So you can see negatron is E-1, and here is 0 actually, and here is 0. So if you observe, you can see here that negatron looks like beta. Alright, they are like literally the same radiation.